You have many people shocked by your transformation and eager to get back into your life. There were individuals that may have put up barriers between yourself and them for whatever reason. They were individuals who may have downplayed who you were or expected you to become someone that they thought you would be. Now these individuals feel a sense of guilt. Now these individuals feel a sense of sorrow. For some of you, these individuals want to rush back in and declare their feelings for you, especially if they were a person that held back emotionally. These individuals feel like they missed out on an opportunity. They feel as if they have fumbled you in some way. These people from the past, because I feel like they're people from the past who got the Six of Cups in the reverse, they want to return back into your life, but they feel as if they can't. Spirit is forcing these individuals to heal. These people are on spiritual time out. They are not an energetic match to you in the now, hence why they cannot connect with you. Even if you are within their presence, there's a distance between yourself and them because they are not matching your frequency. This is karma playing out. And these individuals see that you're very talented. They see that you have many options, could be love options as well, but they see that you have many opportunities and it's keeping them up in their head. These individuals feel very fearful of this new beginning. They want to reach out to you. For some of you, I hear that these individuals want you to reach out to them. These individuals are very desperate right now. They could be spying on you. They could be trying to ask people that you both know of about you, what you're up to, what you're doing, what job you're doing, who you're dating, who you're friends with, etc. I feel like these individuals were very taken aback by your success. Some of you are not where you want to be in the now, but they can grasp that you are on your way to something magnificent because you're very independent. And it's leaving these people's heart broken, and they're thinking back to the times when they did have an opportunity to grow with you, to build with you, to collaborate with you, to be in a relationship with you, to be friends with you, to support you in whatever way they could, but they chose not to. And for some of you, they're looking at the choices that they actually chose, and it could have been other people, other job roles, whatever the case is, and they feel embarrassed because now they're seeing that you are the prize. Now they are seeing that, a lot of people respect you. A lot of people want to be in, connections with you, work, collaborations. You are very successful in your career, or these individuals see that you are on the brink of success. Some of you are going to become famous in whatever field that you belong to. And this just doesn't mean being famous on TV. For some of you, yeah, but I feel like for some of you, you could be quite well known, very popular, very well sought after. There's a lot of praise that you gain, and these individuals are feeling like, wow. For some of you, these individuals are opportunists, and they're thinking that if they had stayed with you, aligned with you, or collaborated in a business venture with you, they will be getting some of this fame as well, or this attention. So it's a good thing that you're kind of separated from these individuals. However, for some of you, these individuals are seeing that, maybe at a time they thought that they were better than you, right? But when they saw how other people, came towards you, when they saw how other people respected you, when they saw that you were that guy, you were that girl, I feel like I'm getting a sense of some of you were maybe acting like an undercover boss, meaning that you were playing small in an environment and other people felt like they were better than you when you were the big boss in the whole room, right? These people are realizing that now. These people are sensing that you are the truth. These people undermined you. For some of you, these people are seeing something flourish and grow on social media. They could be seeing pictures. They could have heard of some sort of accomplishment. They could see you out and about with a group of friends, your family members, whatever the case is. They are now learning that they fumbled you. They are now learning that they should have took the opportunity with you. They should have given you that role. They should have given you that attention. They should have given you that friendship. They should have supported you if they were a family member, right? They should have given you that opportunity to, they should have given you that opportunity to be yourself, as opposed to just trying to act like you're someone that you're not, putting you in a box when you don't deserve to be in one, right? They should have, given you a chance in regards to a relationship, in regards to a friendship, in regards to a career, whatever the case is. These people are now realizing that they have messed up. We've got the Temperance card right here. You're at peace with yourself because, at the time it may have hurt some of you, but the time in the now. I feel as if you are at peace with your choices. You are at peace with what these people have done as well. And these people are not at peace. And for some of you, these individuals are feeling like, how can you have gone through what you went through and be at peace? It's getting them very angry as well. For some of you, these people want to actually learn from you. How can you be at peace when you went through all these trials and tribulations? Could you teach me how you get to that place of peace? You are shining, you are glowing, you are happy, you are radiant. And it's not a facade, it's the truth. Okay, these individuals are very desperate to get back in contact with you, but they're very scattered, and spirit doesn't want their energy around you. And for some of you, the reason why these people have been blocked from your energy is because they have been secretly competing with you. And for some of you, these individuals feel as if they have to compete with others to get close to you. They slept on you in the past, but now that they see that other people want to collaborate with you, now that they see that other people, you know, put you in a, you know, see you in a high light, put you on a pedestal. This person actually now puts you on a pedestal, by the way. Some of these people could be name dropping. Oh, I know him. Oh, I know her. Yeah, once upon a time. But I also feel as if some of these individuals are very desperate right now to get close to you. Sorry, that's my cat, Love. And I feel as if they want to invest in you, but they feel like they have nothing to invest in because you have simply cut them away, walked away. You've gained clarity about the situation. You know, again, like I mentioned, some of these individuals are opportunists, right? And at the time, you may have felt like, you know what, let me just help this person. You know, you saw this person in the same light that, you know, you see yourself in, someone that just means well. And none of us are perfect, right? But you actually wanted to help, but this person was an opportunist. They were trying to stifle your energy, probably trying to use you for some of you. And for others of you, I feel as if these individuals may have felt like, oh, I can't be with someone like him. I can't be with someone like her. They don't make enough money. What are my family and friends going to think? Whatever the case is, right? I need to be with someone that has 6 figures. I need to be someone that drives this car. I need to be someone that, whatever the case is, they're realizing that you were the truth all along. You were, you know, a diamond in the rough in a sense, right? But you weren't telling people who you really were. You were letting your actions do the talking, and it took these individuals to realize that you were the truth. You could have also been the scapegoat of the family, the black sheep of the family, right? And people may have projected a lot onto you. Now these people need your help. Now these friends from the past want to come back and realign with you because they see that you're glowing up, because they see that you're doing well. Now they need your advice, because back in the day when you used to be there to give them advice, they took on your advice and they went along the way. And these are the same type of people that left you out in the cold when you were in need. These people want to come back, but it's up to you if you want to take them back.